So what's poppin' good, guys? My name is Sree here, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my video. So this is a BasX Blaze. This is a earphone or Bluetooth wireless earphone, and this is a hot cake Amazon seller. Let's get started. So first things first, I recently did its unboxing video on my channel, so feel free to check that out. I'll link it just below the like button. So it's water resistant, it's IPX5 rated, so if you want me to do a water test, just hit the like button. So first things first, ergonomics. Ergonomically, I have no complaints. It's got that soft ear hooks, and the weight is not so bad comparing to others. It's got a little heft, and ergonomically it's perfect. And yes, this beautiful carbon fiber finish. Of course, it's not carbon fiber, but carbon fiber like looking case is gonna come with that, and zippers are great, everything is great. I love this case. I mean, seriously, you can carry it everywhere around, wherever you like it. And next concern is about battery life. It's got 5.5 hours, or I got probably about 6 hours of battery life. For this money, it's incredibly good. Battery life, trust me, it's incredibly good. So next thing, it's the voice test from the inline microphone. So this is how the inline microphone sounds like. It doesn't sound that awful or kind of stuff. It is good, and you get 6 ear tips. Yeah, let's move on. So this is how the inline microphone sounds like. I think it's not awful, but hey, it's good. It's yeah. Now let's talk about the button arrangement or kind of stuff like that. So first things first, to turn this on, you have to hold the power button for probably 4 seconds, and it will start blinking red and blue. So red and blue indicates it's ready to pair. So after getting paired, it will blink blue sometimes. According to every 5 seconds, it will blink blue. So that shows that you're ready to pair. So you see the volume rockers. So hitting one time on the volume rocker will skip a song. If you really want to change the sound, you have to tap and hold it. So the buttons are not so clicky, not so good, but hey, you'll get adjusted to the controls and buttons within a week, like I did. So anyways, I don't have any complaint with the button controls. I just say it's not perfect, but considering the 800 value or 12 buck price value, it's great. So finally, the most important thing, the sound. The sound is good, it's bassy, it's punchy, it's clear, but you will miss low, and yeah, the low or kind of stuff that doesn't pop up. If you're used to Sennheisers or Audio Technica, you will miss some tunes. I mean, yeah, you will definitely miss that. So my final verdict is this. So if you're really looking for Bluetooth wireless earphones, this is the way to go. Budget Bluetooth wireless earphones, this is the best one. So hey, thank you guys for watching. My name is Sree. Talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out, y'all.